In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Sierra chart data. Now, there's a few things you can actually export. So the first thing you have to do, go to the top left, click on Edit, and then from here you can see there's a bunch of things. So already here it says Download Data Historical Chart. You can go and click on that if you want to, and as you can see, you can pick, of course, data start date, then click on the OK button, and you'll be able to basically download it. Okay, that's the first way to do it. Then you have these options over here as well, where you can go and of course export or download that data as well. Or if you want to export different things to text files, for example, you have the options over here as well. So you have the option to export intraday data to text file. You can go and export and edit intraday data. You can go and import and load intraday data, or you could go and export bar data or of course bar study data to text files. So up to you. I'm gonna go and click on bar data to text file here, for example. So I'm just gonna click on that, and then over here, of course, you're gonna have to search, and of course if you have a file in here, you'll just be able to save it wherever you want, and that way it's going to go through. Okay, so of course you must have your data loaded in to be able to do this, but that's essentially how you achieve this. Super simple, all under this edit tab up top. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.